Okay, so here are the answers to the fill in the blanks and the short exercise you did. Right, solving functions. So this is very much like solving equations. So we could state it as follows: solve 3x plus 2 equals 26. Or we could define this expression as the function f of x and say solve f of x equals 26. So for example, this translates as saying f of x, which is 3x plus 4, make that 19. And therefore solve it. So subtract 4 from both sides, divide by 3. Similarly here, x over 3 plus 2 is worth 8. Subtract 2 from both sides, this time multiply by 3. Now this one's got a twist at the end, so we subtract 3 from both sides, and now we square root, except the square root of 16 isn't just 4, it's also minus 4, because when you square root, technically you can have plus or minus that number. So for example, this one over here, x equals plus or minus the root of 25, so it's minus 5 or plus 5. Now you can check by just subbing minus 4 into the original, get minus 4 squared is 16, add 3 is 19, so f of negative 4 is indeed 19, just like here, f of negative 5, g of negative 5 is negative 5 squared, 25, take out 24, 21 as well. Now these slightly harder ones, what we do is we just do what we've done before and take it literally. We just sub in the expression itself. So that becomes x minus 2 in the place of x squared, then subtract 2. So whatever x is, you replace with x minus 2. So this is telling you to take the input, square it, and subtract 2. That's it. And then if I simplify that, it's x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then I subtract 2. So that goes back to multiplying out brackets, which we did earlier on in the unit. B, very similar. You do f of 2x would be, take the x, and remember the hint about keeping things in brackets? It'll make sense here, because this then tells you that the 2 also needs squaring, and that doesn't really simplify further. I'll do these as well because it's quite difficult. G of x minus 3 is x minus 3 squared, add 3. That's x squared minus 6x plus 12. And b, g of 3x would be 3x squared plus 3, which is 9x squared plus 3. Now what I'd like you to do is to start page 104, and I'll send the rest of the instructions over.